Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control, security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.